I'm enjoying my homemade yogurt. Nataporn's put a lot of heart into this. She's doing that with all her activities this last 3 to 4 weeks. She's now repotting some of the pot plants around the house and around the garden. They do a great job of it. She loves it. Getting her hands dirty. And that's not something Nataporn's used to. She's normally puts her gloves on. And this week I think she's wanted to connect. She's actually wanted to get her hands dirty and get into the soil. She showed me her nails last night. It's a nice venture for her. It's a nice venture for me for sure, because the house is looking a little nicer with the pot plants here and there. It's very nice. Thank you, Nataporn. The gate is open, the horse is bolted, and I'm enjoying out in the open, fresh air, walking. Everybody is wearing a mask, except for the ice cream seller. Yesterday, after many days of being in, not going out, trying to do my bit for isolation, yesterday I went off out and wanted to take my drone up into the air. I popped down to Wat Doi Sapphanyu.
สวัสดีครับ
สวัสดีเจ้า
เก็บอะไรครับ
เก็บยอดมะขาม
อ๋อ
เอาไปยำ
กินได้ใช่ไหม
กินได้
อ๋อ
เปรี้ยวนิดหน่อย
อาหารกินกับอะไรครับ
เอาไปใส่หมูบด
อ๋อ
โขลกน้ำพริก
ครับครับครับ
คั่วน้ำพริกให้ละเอียดหอม
ครับ
ๆแล้วก็ใส่หมูบด
อ๋อ
ใส่น้ำนิดหน่อย แล้วก็เอามายำกับนี้ใส่หอมแดง
ครับพร้อ
หอ
ม
มเจียว
โอ้โหมีเยอะไหม
กำลังเก็บไม่ได้เยอะมีแค่นี้
โอ้โห
ยิ่งเก็บยิ่งป่ง
ดีจังเลย
A couple of years ago, the local authority here put new signs up at the junction. I think they were considering the short-sighted people that were approaching this junction, making the signs extra large so that people didn't miss them.
พร้อมถ่ายวิดีโอครับ
How wonderful is this? Would you get this in another country? Maybe not. You know, somebody would put a regulation on it. Somebody would put a stipulation. It's got to be this. This lovely little seamstress shop here has got quite a few masks on display. And the farmers, the people in the villages, the people that are everyday people, the people in Thailand, are wearing masks. Well, this morning I thought I'd come out in the sunshine, absolutely brilliant sunshine, and a little bit of tinge in the sky. I thought I'd come to Wat Doi Sapphanyu. I've been here a few times to take photos of the statues at the top, and also flown over as a drone a few years back. But just to resurrect that old video, I thought I'd take a new one and show you the old one. Maybe it's a different colour, a different slightly different shape. A lot of watering to do today. The Bowser's going out for another refill. He's going to fill it with water in a little pond over the back. I've got my sunglasses on. Wonderful day. I'm not within 100 metres of anyone. and I'm enjoying out in the open, fresh air, walking. But I think the fact that we're at home and you can laze about and do what you like is not conducive to sleeping well, because you stay up late, you get up late, you don't have exercise in your day, and therefore you don't want to relax and rest in your sleep. So my sleep pattern's been not for six this last 3 weeks. Yeah, looking forward to getting it under control again. I might try a concerted effort to get it under control this week. Set an alarm bell. Go to bed, Ali. It feels like New Year resolution. Well, it is Thai New Year. Sawadi Pi Mai Tuk Kon. This week is New Year for Thai people, and every year we celebrate it with Songkran. It generally happens around about the 12th of April. So this last week we've normally been celebrating sprinkling water over everybody and enjoying family festivity. A lot of people getting drunk, but also just enjoying family togetherness and enjoying the happiness within a family and celebrating friends. Still thinking about that video the other day. Thank you so much for everybody that commented and liked that video. It's still making me feel quite emotional when I think about what I saw there and what's happening. Thai people helping Thai people is absolutely wonderful, but it's the heartbreak about the panic that this has brought about, the rushing to get the stuff. There are many places in town now handing food, but people will run from one place to another to get the next lot of handout, and therefore it's becoming a stampede to get food. It's stampede to get the free, because they don't know when their next meal will come from, and therefore as there's no work, they've got no other commitments other than to go and find sustenance for their home, for their families, for themselves. Thank you very much for the new subscribers. Greatly appreciate it. You're very welcome, and I hope you enjoy this video and other videos like this. Quite a few in this style now, of me talking to camera. It didn't happen until a couple of months back, and now you can't stop me. The gate is open, the horse is bolted. You can't shut that gate now. As I'm out in Mae Wang, I thought I'd come to Talat Mae Wang, a popular place for me to get Malagor. I remember it this time. Papaya. Thanks for watching, Nola. I always laugh to myself when I speak the word Malagor, because I could never remember the word in English until you told me about it. Papaya. Oh, ดีจังเลยขอบคุณมากครับลูกเดียวใช่ไหมมีเอาหมดนะครับนี่โอ้โหดีจังเลยขอบคุณมากครับ
โอ้ทำไมมาถามไม่รู้นะเนี่ย
โอ้ดีจังเลยขอบมากครับใส่ชุดนี้ครับขอบมากครับ
ถ้ามาไม่ถามไม่รู้เลยลืมสนิทเลย
จำไม่ได้ใช่ไหม ครับ
จำไม่ได้คิดสักนิดเลยไม่นึกสักนิดเลยอ่ะว่ามันอยู่ในนี้บอกว่าไม่มาไม่มา
Oh, everybody is wearing a mask, except for the ice cream seller. Now, how does that work? He's the man handing snacks to people, and he's handing snacks to people that are going to catch whatever is on his hand. I know the outbreak isn't happening, but the threat is there, and for a food seller, I just can't believe it. My God, this hair's getting long. I'm glad I had a haircut 4 weeks ago. Gosh. Thanks for joining us today. I really appreciate you looking in on this video. If you've just found us by chance, please consider giving us a subscribe. Hit the bell. You'll be notified in your inbox of new published videos. Thank you so much to all my subscribers. I really appreciate your support. Thank you for the regular comments. It's good to hear what people are doing around the world in your lockdown, in your pandemic, what you're doing wherever you are. Please keep the comments coming. I really do appreciate that. If you've liked this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below. Always check the description of my videos. You'll see a bit more detail of the video and a link to where some of the video was shot. This week I'm going to leave you with a clip from an orchard that was on fire recently. Maybe some of you saw it in the previous video. The tents will give you the landmark to identify the orchard. It's lost some of the trees and the undergrowth has been lost, but the larger trees are still there. Anyway, happy Earth Day. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay well. Wear a mask if you can. See you next time. Bye bye.